finished it!
Give me the container!
No!
Oh, give it to me!
Get the contact solution.
Now we need baking soda.
Okay, where's the stick?
Whatever.
Get
Stick's
the lid!
Give me the container!
I'm already making it.
I don't care! Where's this there?
You want more? We're gonna get in trouble if we don't clean this up right now. How do I clean this?
I'm cleaning that. Oh my god. Okay.
Get the contact.
Contact lens solution. No, we need the paint. We need the paint.
Oh yeah, it's in my hand. It's so squishy. Oh god, she's looking.
Hopefully she can't see the mess.
Hopefully she's legally blind.
You know we're gonna get in trouble if you see this on?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Come on, frickin' food color. Oh, you got it on the food color. Great job, Jocelyn. The paint won't come out.
It's not shit.
It will come out.
Just like squeeze it out.
It doesn't even come out.
It's so weird.
I think I just used it all on my hands.
Okay.
Because last night I kind of like wanted to see if it.
Oh, my hands are sticking out.
Oh my god, this is like the worst.
Maybe this one will work out. And then, no, wait, guys, I'm gonna hurry up and do this so I can try getting that off with this slime. Just.
Y'all give me
Wait, serious?
contact solution and Danielle's.
Oh wow, it just slime on me. Oh, what the? Ew, it looks really wrong.
Yeah, because I kind of wet it.
Block it.
Guys, I'm looking at the same container.
Block it with your hair, like sit in front of it.
You brought food coloring?
Get it off.
He's on the way.
Don't bring it all the way up because I think she was looking.
I don't see anything. I'm gonna do this after. There's four.
Get the monkey! Poor monkey. Poor monkey. Monkey to the rescue! Did the monkey save us? Thank you, monkey.
My backpack's dead.
Here, put some on.
Okay, we're back.
Ish.
Finally. Okay.
Oh, you can see there's no more food.
Oh, it's not sticky. Ah!
Sorry.
Thanks, Jocelyn. You're the best. There, the monkey saved. The monkey saved us, everyone. Ew.
Give me some baking soda.
What, you're just starting? We're like.
I know.
Yeah, hold the
Take the phone.
I need a lot.
Take the phone. Take the phone.
Jonas,
still recording?
I have no idea either.
That's like candle slime.
It will come out of the container.
What if she stops on the side of the road and she comes back?